It's 2:15 a.m. Let's get ready and go to the airport to go to Texas for my work trip. Freaking tired. Cannot forget these. Flushing my toilet helps the water get warm. Okay, airport fit check. I'm gonna be putting on my socks and my slides. Frank, let me blow dry my hair and let's go. Love you. Lego. Ugh. My dad's taking me. Pops. Pops.
Hi, I'm Irv with Uber. This is the first time I've ever driven this car, so bear with me.
Coolest Uber driver I've ever met.
What's your favorite kind of cheese?
Gouda.
Oh, I like Havarti.
You guys wonder where I get my dad jokes from? The man himself. We're here. Wow. I haven't been in this part of the airport. Where's the goddamn security? I think it's over here. I don't know. They're making us go to a different security checkpoint. Alright, I think we're here. Finally got through security. My jewelry was got flagged and they're like, what is all this for? And I was like, me and my job. But we're good now. I want a matcha so bad and I cannot find where anything is open. Please don't cancel me. It's the only thing open. My freaking back just broke. Hook it onto here. And my hat broke. The string inside broke off. Okay, I got the pumpkin loaf toasted and then an iced matcha with strawberry puree. It's so awkward in public. I'm just gonna sit here till we're bored. We're in Texas. It's fancy as fuck, goddamn. Okay, I'm gonna go find my manager at baggage claim, and I'm excited to vlog so much this weekend. You guys will be sick of me, I will be insufferable, and I don't care. So, thanks for going on the flight with me.